Hi, friends! Welcome to Tiny Toon Time! Let's learn and sing! A is for apple. A, apple. Can you say apple? B is for ball. Bounce the ball. Say ball. C is for cat. Meow. What does the cat say?
D is for drum. Tap the drum.
Bang, bang, bang. E is for egg. It's a little egg. Say egg. F is for fish. Glub, glub, glub. Can you swim like a fish?
G is for grapes. Sweet purple grapes. Yummy!
H is for hat. Put on your hat. Nice hat.
I is for igloo.
It is cold.
Brr. Say igloo,
Igloo. J is for jam. Sweet, sweet jam on toast.
K is for kite. Fly it high. Reach for the kite.
L is for lion. Roar. Can you roar like a lion? M is for moon.
Good night, moon.
Say
Moon.
N is for net. Catch the ball in the net.
O is for orange. A round, orange, orange.
P is for piano. Play the music. Do, re, mi.
Q is for queen. Wear the crown. You look lovely. R is for robot. Beep, boop, beep. I am a robot. S is for sun. Big, bright sun. Hello, Mr. Sun. T is for train. Choo-choo. The train is coming. U is for umbrella. Stay dry in the rain.
V is for van.
Vroom, vroom.
Let's go for a ride.
W is for water. Splash, splash. It's fun to play in water. X is for xylophone. Ding, ding, ding. Play a song.
Y is for yo-yo. Up and down, up and down. Say.
Yo-yo.
Z is for zebra.
Ah! Look at the stripes.
Zip, zap, zebra.
Look, a soccer ball. It is round. Can you say soccer ball?
I have a racket. Hit the ball. Whack. Your turn. Racket. The cat likes the ball.
Yes, it's a small yellow ball. Say
Ball.
Kick the football. Go, go, go. Can you say football?
football. Whoa! 1, 2, 3 blocks. Let's build a tower. Say blocks.
A bicycle. Ring the bell, ding, ding. Say it with me. Bicycle.
Bicycle.
A teddy bear. He is so soft. Give your bear a hug. Teddy. Bear.
Basketball. Into the hoop. Great shot. Say basketball.
Choo-choo. The train is fast. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Train. Round and round. It's a hula hoop. Can you spin? Hula hoop. A bat and a ball. Let's play baseball. Swing the bat. Ah! robot. He is in the box. Say, box. Down the slide. Whee! That was fun. Say, slide. High in the sky. On the swing, up and down. Say, swing.
Bowing, bowing, bowing. Jump on the trampoline. Say, jump.
Let's draw a picture. What color is this? Oh. Ha! Crayons, a skateboard. Roll, roll, roll on the path. Say, skateboard.
A dollhouse. Look at the tiny rooms. So pretty.
Dollhouse. Wow. Pretty.
Whirr. The helicopter flies high. Look up. Helicopter.
Dig, dig, dig. With the pail and shovel. Say, shovel. Beep boop. The robot is walking. Hello, Mr. Robot.
Listen. The whistle goes tweet, tweet. Your turn. Whistle.
So many toys. Which one is your favorite? Tell us.
Look up. The sun is shining. It is big and yellow. Say,
Sun.
A butterfly. Flap your arms like wings. Flutter, flutter. Say,
Butterfly. Rock, rock, rock. It's a rocking horse. Ride the horse. Say, horse. Rock, rock, crunch. A red apple. It is a yummy fruit. Say, apple.
Peel the banana. 1, 2, 3.
Say, banana. Pour the water. Help the plants grow. Say, watering can. Time to sleep.
this is a bed. It is soft. Say,
Bed.
bed.
I see me. Look in the mirror. Wave hello. Say, mirror.
quack, quack. A yellow duck. Splash in the water. Say, duck.
Look at the stars. They twinkle. Say,
Star, star.
strum the guitar. Make some music. Say,
Guitar. Say guitar.
a house for a bird. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Say, bird.
Light on. Light off. This is a lamp. Say, lamp.
Lamp. Smell the flower.
It is so pretty.
Say,
Flower.
Drink your milk. It makes you strong. Say, milk. Tick tock, tick tock. What time is it? It's a clock.
Open the door. Step inside. Knock, knock, knock. Say, door.
Zip down the snow. It's a sled.
Whee!
Say sled.
Sit on the sofa. It is comfy. Say, sofa, sofa. Cool water. It's a hose. Don't get wet. Say, hose. Pop the bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. Say, bubbles, bubbles.
pop. The toast is ready. Be careful, it's warm. Say,
Toast, toast. Climb the ladder. One step at a time. Say, ladder. Blow the whistle. Tweet, tweet. Can you whistle? Say, whistle.
look at the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Rainbow.
I can talk. Let's say big words. Say, I can talk. I see an apple. It is red. Now you say, I see an apple. I see the cat. The cat is orange. Say, I see the cat. Meow.
This is a ball. It is round. Say it with me.
This is a ball. This is a ball.
This is a ball.
This is a ball. I see the sun. The sun is hot. Say, I see the sun. I see the train. Choo-choo. Your turn. I see the train. This is my bear. My bear is soft. Say, this is my bear.
I drink the milk. It is cold. Can you say?
I drink the milk. I see the umbrella. It is yellow. Say, I see the umbrella. I see the flower. It is pretty. Say, I see the flower. I wear a hat. I like my hat. Say, I wear a hat. I wear a hat.
You wear a hat.
I see the moon. The moon is white. Say, I see the moon.
I see the moon.
I read the book. It is fun. Say it. I read the book.
I see a bird. The bird is red. Say,
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
I play with blocks. I build a house. Say, I play with blocks.
I water the plants. Watch them grow. Say, I water the plants.
I eat the banana. It is sweet. Say, I eat the banana. I brush my teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Say, I brush my teeth.
The cat is at the door. Meow. Say, the cat is at the door.
I go up high. I love to swing. Say, I love to swing. I play the guitar. It makes music. Say, I play the guitar. I have my breakfast. Yummy. Say, I have my breakfast.
I see a tree. The tree is big. Say,
I see a tree. I see a tree.
We did it. We learned our letters and our sentences today.
You are so smart.
See you next time for more Tiny Toon Time.
Bye-bye.